If you're a tutor, you understand the importance of helping your students succeed and achieve their academic goals. However, it's not always easy to ensure that your tutoring sessions are effective. Today, we will discuss 6 tips that can help you make your tutoring sessions more engaging and successful. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Tip number 1. Identify your student's learning style. Every student is unique and they have different learning styles. Therefore, it's crucial to determine your student's learning style to tailor your teaching methods accordingly. Use a variety of approaches, such as visual aids or hands-on activities, to make learning more engaging and effective. Tip number 2. Set clear objectives and expectations. It's important to establish clear learning goals and expectations with your student to focus your tutoring sessions and measure progress. Encourage your student to ask questions and seek clarification. Tip number 3. Use a variety of teaching methods. Varying your teaching methods can help keep your students engaged and interested. Utilize different techniques, such as problem-solving exercises, role-playing, or visual aids to keep the material fresh and engaging. Tip number 4. Provide regular feedback. Feedback is essential for students to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Regular feedback can help them focus on areas that need improvement and build confidence in their abilities. Tip number 5. Encourage active participation. Encouraging your students to participate actively in the tutoring sessions can help them stay engaged and reinforce their learning. Ask them questions, encourage discussion, and have them explain concepts back to you. Tip number 6. Build a positive rapport. Building a positive rapport with your students can help them feel more comfortable and confident in their learning. Be supportive, positive, and patient, and show interest in their progress. In conclusion, effective tutoring requires careful planning, tailored teaching methods, and regular feedback. By employing these strategies, you can help your students achieve their learning goals and build the confidence and skills they need to succeed. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.